Hello, welcome to the channel. So, not been to a car boot this weekend so far. But what I have done is bought this toolbox off eBay for just under £22. So we can just have a little look at the contents together. This is what I got. A few interesting few things that are a bit different in this lot. Caught my eye. Some Stanley adjustable across the mole grip. That's a bit different. These are Knipex. To focus on the model number. 3603 250. The design has changed slightly. These are finer and there's more adjustment. The new ones have got a markings inside that diamond shape. I'll tell you the size. So this is an older model. Need cleaning up, but nice find nonetheless. And then pretty much everything else is just spanners. So I might just go through all them and put them into piles and come back to you. Show you what there is in there. So I've sorted it into some sort of piles. There seems to be quite a set of these big spanners brand that I don't know much about. I can't find a name on them. They're just generic, not particularly good quality or anything pile. These are some of the more interesting ones. Got some King Dicks. This one's dated 1953. This is a Toyota toolkit one. Some brake adjusting ones. Some Draper. These will probably just go in the drawer at work. Nice selection of a brittle, quite rusty Fackham. Partex USA made. This is quite interesting. It looks like one of those rejects from the factory, an unfinished one. That's quite nice for the unfinished spanner collection. This is a Whitbread keg spanner. This is a great spanner. For hooking grates out. Super slim TW Super Slim. What is it there?